Sis, now I know you ain't been holding back, honey. Have you been holding back on your girl? I can't believe it. So y'all, when I say my look is from the beauty supply store, you ain't gonna believe me until I show you the receipts. Beauty supply store. Yeah. So, for real, I went to the beauty supply store a couple weeks ago so I can get some hair for my braids, right? And I just happened to look up and I'm like, well, let me see what they got. Because normally, now I'll find some eyebrow pencils or lip liner or something like that, or even my concealer, because I do buy concealer from there. But I have not seen a lot of products that I've seen this last go round. So if you want to see how I got some of this, now everything isn't, but I'm going to go over everything that I use to obtain this look, and majority of it is beauty supply store. So if you want to see this, then stay tuned. Okay, so first and foremost, here is the receipt here, Beauty Town. And the sales that they had, $7.99 was my palette. And listen, when I say this palette, y'all, $7.99. And it says clearly here, Beauty Town, $7.99. And these colors were gorgeous. And I was just like really shocked because I've seen this before, because I think I got a couple of those, but it wasn't $7.99. But then they had this, I've never even heard of Nick-Ack. I don't know if that's how I'm pronouncing it, but they got this duo blush, which this is a pretty color. And then they also had this color. And y'all, when I say these were only, these were $1.99. Like $1.99. Are you out of your mind? And then they had the contour. And I got two because I wasn't sure which color. Now, y'all, I done put this dark color on, which made it a lot darker, which still looks cute, y'all. So then I turned around and then I saw this, which is the concealer. It says cream to powder, y'all, full coverage. And what do y'all think? Like, it looks good. Now, I didn't use this one today, but this Apple Poison, now it says that this Apple Poison was, let me see, $2.99. So I was in shock. Now, I typically do get this concealer. Now, y'all saw me use this concealer a long time. The concealer, which shows that it was, I believe this one was $5.99. Which you still can't beat that. And then I used the eyebrow and the lip, which both of these I believe are eyebrows, which Ruby Kiss. So when I saw this, y'all, I was like, okay, you know, I didn't have high expectations. But then I'd go ahead and do this look, y'all, and y'all know now you can get lashes from the beauty supply store too, which I always do. These are actually still from the Dollar Tree because I done reused these multiple times. And my lip combo, now I know y'all gonna ask me about this lip combo because I was like, oh my God, look at this lip combo. The lip combo is not from the beauty supply store. Now this is Paris Hilton, and I actually picked this up from Ross. And it says it's a soft matte color, but then this one is a Juvia's Place orange. Y'all heard me right, orange. When I blended these two together, it was just fire. What y'all think? I am shook, boo. Cause I'm like, I know my girls ain't been holding out. Ain't nobody been talking about the beauty supply store makeup. Really? Well, this girl is about to. Because my look was just like fire. What y'all think? All right, now, if you like what you saw, please go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. And then I'm going to catch y'all later. Until next time, y'all. See you next time.